Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you that how to recover lost or deleted data from your iOS devices directly, including the photos, SMS, notes, call history, WhatsApp or Tango messages, applications data such as Kik and Kik attachments, Viber data, WeChat data, Tango, Line and Line attachments as well, and other files from iPhone, iPad or iPod. So right now I have deleted the photos from my iOS device and I will show you the method to recover these deleted photos no matter you lost the data after iOS updates or jailbreak or you have deleted accidentally. So in today's video I will show you how you can recover it. So unfortunately you cannot recover it without a computer, so you need a Windows or Mac PC to scan the deleted files and recover it. The software which we're gonna use to recover the data is Tenorshare Alt Data. You will find the direct download link of this software in the description of this video. Alt Data will allow you to recover data from iOS devices including iPhones, iPads and iPods, as well as from iTunes and iCloud backups. The app includes support for over 35 plus file types, allowing you to selectively pull data from a ton of different applications on your phone. That includes the ability to selectively download content only from the applications you want. You can download, for instance, text messages from apps like WhatsApp or Apple's Messages application or contacts, photos, and many more file types from the other applications you use. Alt Data for iPhone recovery works for iOS devices compatible with all iOS versions and newest iPhones like iPhone 11, iPhone XS, XS Max, XR models. Also works for older devices and iOS builds. So this tool is available for Windows and Mac as well. So without enough talking, let me show you that how this tool works. Let's install it in our PC. So after you install and open it in your PC, you will see this type of screen. First of all, make sure your iPhone, iPad or iPod is switched on and connect it to your computer or Mac with USB cable. If your iPhone, iPad or iPod is functioning properly and it is well connected to computer with USB cable, please unlock it if it has a passcode. Also, please check whether you get a pop-up window asking you to tap Trust on your device. Tap on Trust button and your iOS device will be detected instantly by the computer. When the computer detects your device, it will show you the interface as follows. You can tick what you would like to scan and recover, or just simply scan all to start a comprehensive and deep scan, then click Start Scan to proceed. Now tap on Continue button to get started. So this will scan all of your deleted or lost data from your iOS device. It may take time, depends on how much data your iPhone contains. So I'm gonna skip this part. Now all scanned files are listed on the program according to category. You can choose Show All or only display the deleted items to recover. To save time, you can selectively recover those you need. So it has done scanning all the deleted files. Right now you can see it has scanned about 600 call history logs, 42 notes which I have deleted from my iOS device, and it is Safari bookmarks. So let's get back. You can see 600 call history logs and you can see it's about 16,000 contacts and 58 messages, and if I scroll down you can see 47 photos, and app photos it's about 4,409, and app videos which is 1,062 videos. You can see all the videos. You can just select them to recover it, and if you see in the photos you can see all of my deleted photos here. You can select them and recover it to your computer and put it on your iPhone. You can also double click a picture to view it at a full size before recovering it. So if you scroll down, you have other applications deleted data as well. You can see it has scanned each and everything from my iPhone, the contacts, the messages, photos, videos, and it has found the photos and videos even which was deleted from other applications such as WhatsApp, WeChat, Line. So anyways, let's try to recover some of them and let's see how it works. So right now I am selecting the photos and let's press the recover button. And now choose the save location from here and press the recover button again to save the files. So as you can see the photos folder here, so just like that you can recover all of your data from your iPhone, iPad, iPod, like I did recover my deleted photos. You can see it has successfully recovered the photos which I have deleted recently from my iPhone. Pretty cool stuff, right? It's a life hack and a useful software for us to get the lost data back to our device. Anyways, you can see these are the messages, all the deleted messages which we can recover, and here we have contact. It's about 16,000 contact. It's too much. You can also preview the contact information by clicking on any specific contact here. Just like that, it has gained so many files, so you can recover any of them you want, like books, notes, and whatever. And the best thing is, if you are unable to find your lost data from your iOS device, so we also have an option here to recover the data from the iTunes backup file. So using this feature, you can also get your important data back to you from the backup file. And here is the iCloud feature. So if you did turn on the iCloud backup in your iOS device, so you can also try this feature and enter your Apple ID. So this software will try to recover your lost files from your iCloud account. It will going to scan your iCloud backup file to see if it is possible to recover the deleted files. Let me tell you that this software is free. You can use the free trial version, but if you want to recover large amount of data, you have to purchase it. They are also giving 30 days money back guarantee. Here we have different plans. You can check it out. I have provided the link in the description of this video. Right now there is no free method to recover the deleted files from the iOS device. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and comment the video. I will be back to you with another video.